everyone. Today, I'm going to explain the three models of communication: the linear, the interactive model, and the transactional model. These models help us understand how communication happens and how people send and receive messages. Let's start with the linear model of communication by Shannon and Weaver, 1949. This model shows communication as a one-way process. There is a sender who sends the message and the receiver who receives it. The message passes through a channel, and sometimes there is a noise, like distractions or technical problems. In this model, the receiver does not give feedback. The sender talks and the receiver just listens. A good example of the linear model is radio broadcasting, TV news, and or or a teacher giving a lecture without questions. So, the linear model is simple but doesn't show real interaction. Next, we have the interactive model of communication by Scrum 1954. This model is two-way communication because it includes feedback. Here, the sender sends a message and the receiver responds. However, communication happens by turns. First, one person sends a message, then the other replies. Scrum also introduced the idea of field of experience, which means our background, culture, and and the the past experience affect how we understand messages. Examples of the interactive model include text messaging, classroom discussions, and interviews. Compared to the linear model, this is more realistic, but still not happening at the same time. Next, let's move on to the transactional model of communication by Barnlett 2008. This is the most realistic model. In this model, communication happens simultaneously. This means both people are sending and receiving messages at the same time. While one person is talking, the other is nodding, smiling, or reacting through body language. It also includes verbal and non-verbal communication, emotions, and the environment. Examples are face-to-face conversation, group discussions, and video calls. This model shows that communication is continuous and dynamic, not just sending and receiving messages. To compare them, the, the linear model is a one way and has no feedback. The interactive model is two-way, but communication happens by turns. The transactional model is two-way and simultaneous, with people both with both people communicating at the same time. In terms of complexity, linear is the simplest. Interactive is moderate. Transactional is the most complex and realistic. To summarize this, linear model is talking to people. Interactive model, talking with people at one at a time. Transactional model is talking with people at the same time. So, this model help us understand communication in school, work, and everyday life. That's all. Thank you for watching.